What's up guys, you're watching Manix Best, and one of the coolest tools that I've bought in recently is this guy. I don't know what it's called, but it's been really helpful when I have to do my DIY at home. As you can tell, this helps to align if I have to cut corners in a DIY installation. So I've done a wardrobe recently, which was like a proper wardrobe installation. Didn't use any like of these MDF type pieces from IKEA. It used stuff that was built into the wall, so it was going to be permanent structure, and this one's not been there of course at the time, but I would have imagined if this was there at that time it would have made my life a lot easier. But just to show you how this works, so if you've got a corner, I'm just going to use this box as a reference. If you've got a corner, just press this one, it will leave an impression and then you know what to cut, right? So it's a really nice tool, you know, to cutting your like tiles and stuff, wood, tiles, drywall. It does give you a really good shape. It's nice and simple to use. It's got a nice scale as well, about 25 centimeters, so it's pretty big and long. So it does sort of support your requirements where you need to get some cuts to the wall or to your stuff that you're doing. Pretty cool product. I'm very happy with this. I've just started using it. It's doing its job really well. I've had some paint job that was to be done. It's all DIY, of course. I'm not a painter, but I've been trying to do stuff at home. When I was to cut out the drywall, I've used this device. It's worked perfectly, wonderfully in fact. So yeah, I just wanted to share this. You should have it if you are into DIYs and stuff. Of course, I will have all the links in the description, so you can obviously know where to buy this item and what the price is of this one.
Bye bye.